Hi guys, Matt from Greensolv here with
Tom from Espo's.
Tom. How long have you been in the powder coating business for?
We've been in the business for about 14 years now.
Excellent. How long have you been a Greensolv customer for?
I'd say about 12. We started in about 1,400 square foot shop. Now we're in 7,000. So obviously as we grow with you guys as well. Upgraded to a bigger tank because we had more space, bigger rinse tank, hoist system, all stuff like that.
So when you were using the other chemical, how many wheels per day were you stripping?
We might be able to strip 18, but then Tuesday, it doesn't even want to strip the first batch. It was very inconsistent. So with Greensolv, you don't have to worry about that, whether it's hot out, cold out, the tank's heated and it's always consistent day after day. We strip at least 18 wheels a day. We try to do 6 at a time, so that'd be 3 batches. And what's nice is if you have something on a Friday, you can put it in there. You don't got to worry about it messing up aluminum, magnesium. You can just leave it Monday, take it out. So it saves a lot of trips back and forth to the shop at midnight.
So how has your Greensolv experience been with our customer support?
Everything's been amazing, from you guys coming out to testing the product. Anytime we have a question, you could always get someone on the phone. I feel like that in itself is worth it. I would say just don't think about it. Get it sooner than later. Once you do, you'll be happy that you did. Every single day on Facebook, powder coating groups, we see, what paint stripper should I get? I just put one reply, Greensolv, nothing else. Once you guys do it, you won't turn back. That's worth every penny.
Well, Tom, it's been a pleasure. Thank you for the interview.
Yeah, no problem. Anytime. Thanks for coming by.